Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234. And when you arrive at 2261 Southwest College Road and you see that metal roof, but more importantly, that pretty flag and patriotic horse, you have arrived. Take a quick 90 seconds to feature a fresh arrival. They just brought it up and I said, man, I got to take a picture of that. This is a 2014 Ford FX2. Leather roof, navigation, smoke-free cabin. And man, if it looks pretty on the outside, it is so much prettier on the inside. This truck is amazing. It was obviously adult driven, a clean CARFAX, 28 service records. Just a nice truck. Look at those seats. It's got those dry tech mats that everybody loves. Navigation, backup camera, all the steering wheel controls. There's a glass view roof. Keyless entry, which I kind of like that Ford does.